We've been working with Daltile for quite some time now, and I really love it for a lot of reasons. They're environmentally friendly, it's a clean product, and they really have a huge selection. They have tile and natural stone, really anything you could want. One of my favorite things is how durable they are. It makes it really easy to clean, really easy to maintain. And this one that we selected is a quartzite. It's one of my favorite stones I think we've probably ever put in a kitchen. Very easy to install, and it's just incredibly beautiful. Daltile has a really large variety of stone looks like this one, so you can really get that elegance you're looking for, but with the durability of a quartz product. Daltile's quartz countertops are growing in popularity not just because they're beautiful, but because they're so easy to take care of. The product is 90% quartz and the rest is resins, but it makes it incredibly strong. It's the least porous product you can get in the kitchen, which is always good. If you spill red wine, it's not going to soak into it like it would to like a natural Carrara marble. But it's scratch, dent, heat resistant, all those things, making it an excellent choice for a kitchen product. In the main ensuite up here, we selected a marble mosaic. I love using a mosaic pattern because you can stick with a really traditional material like marble that almost any homeowner loves, but you can do it in so many different fun patterns. So we've got a marble mosaic here with just this nice little like antiqued mirror detail. Again, it's really easy to install. It's meant to last a lifetime. So again, picking something that's really classic, but they have such a huge selection. You can get extremely personalized, or try to pick something if you are a home renovator like us that's really going to appeal to the masses. This is actually one of the items in their lavalier collection, and it's incredibly beautiful. We like to do our tile all the way up to the ceiling. It's a little bit more tile, so a little more material, a little more labor, but I think 100% worth what you get, the look at the end. So again, just another one of the reasons that we really love working with Daltile. They have such a huge selection. You can go to the showroom, shop around, pick anything, and no matter what you get, it's going to be a beautiful product.